Hey Ephraima, before we start reviewing for Mr. O'Donnell's final, check out this video. This guy got hit hard.
Margaret's going to come in, and he's shot out of a cannon right here, just in a vulnerable spot. But he clearly has possession of the ball, and then
Ouch! I know that's really gonna hurt his cerebrum.
What is a cerebrum?
Well, Ephraima, the cerebrum is the largest brain structure in humans and accounts for about two-thirds of the brain's mass. It's divided into two sides, the left and right hemispheres. These two halves are connected by long neuron branches called the corpus callosum. The cerebrum is positioned over and around most other brain structures, and its four lobes are specialized by function but are richly connected. The outer 3 millimeters of gray matter is the cerebral cortex, which consists of closely packed neurons that control most of our body functions, including the mysterious state of consciousness, the senses, the body's motor skills, and reasoning and language. He'll be lucky if he remembers that hit.
Oh, I thought the hippocampus controlled the memory.
Really? It does?
Oh, well, of course. And it's located deep within the brain, and the hippocampus processes new memories for long term storage. And if you didn't have it, you couldn't live in the present and you'd be stuck in the past of old memories. And I know that it is among the first functions to falter in Alzheimer's.
Wow, that's crazy. Didn't Mr. O'Donnell tell us that's right near the hypothalamus?
Yeah, it is.
Well, according to my notes, the hypothalamus, located at the base of the brain, is where the signals from the brain and the body's hormonal system interact. The hypothalamus maintains the body's status quo. It monitors numerous bodily functions such as blood pressure and body temperature, as well as controlling the human's body weight and appetite. That hit can make him go through a lot of hot flashes later.
Mm-mm-mm. This football player is going to be out of the season for a while. But now, imagine if it hit a little lower and it hurt the pituitary gland and the amygdala. Hmm.
But what do those do, Ephraima?
Hmm. Well, the pituitary gland is a pea-sized gland located in the center of the skull, inferior to the hypothalamus. It is very important and is linked between the nervous and endocrine systems and releases many hormones which affect growth, sexual development, metabolism, and human reproduction. On the other hand, the amygdala lies deep in the center of the limbic emotional brain, and this powerful structure is the size and shape of an almond. It is constantly alert to the needs of basic survival needs, including sex, emotional reactions such as anger and fear.
You can't forget about the thalamus. It is right near his pituitary gland and amygdala. The thalamus, located at the top of the brainstem, acts as a two-way relay station, sorting, processing, and directing signals from the spinal cord and midbrain structures up to the cerebrum, and conversely from the cerebrum down to the spinal cord and nervous system.
And if he got his thalamus, and if it got his thalamus, it definitely got his pons and medulla oblongata. Pons is the part of the brainstem that links the medulla oblongata and the thalamus, and the medulla oblongata is the lower half of the brainstem, which is continuous with the spinal cord, the upper half being the pons, and is often referred to simply as the medulla. The medulla contains the cardiac, respiratory, um, vomiting centers, and it deals with the autonomic or involuntary functions like breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure, so on.
If this got injured, this player would be in big trouble.
Not as much trouble as he would be if he got a bad blow to the back of his head like that guy.
another good option to be a backup catcher early on. That ball comes right in on Uggla and nails him in the head.
Ooh, ow. Yeah, that definitely got his cerebellum, which is the folded tissue located at the top of the brainstem. The cerebellum is considered the guru of skilled, coordinated movements, like hitting a baseball, and is involved in some learning pathways. The last and most important part that would be damaged in a blow like that to the head is the brainstem. The brainstem is the part of the brain that connects the spinal cord to the rest of the brain. The brainstem controls functions basic to survival of all animals, such as heart rate, breathing, digesting food, and sleeping.
Oh my god, how we go from watching a simple video to basically reviewing. This was a good review. It actually helped me a lot.